Here are a few tips and tricks on how to take care of it. Firstly, when you arrive to camp, you unpack your sleeping bag, you put it out on your mat, you shake it like this, and then you wait. The reason for this is that the down needs to have air in between the down, and the air that's in between the inner layer and the outer layer is actually what is protecting you and keeping you warm. Before getting in the bag, it can be a very good idea to do some physical activity. So either jumping, or a few push-ups, to have your blood circulating. Once getting in the bag, we recommend you only use one layer of clothes. The reason for this is you can always keep your insulating layer warm. So now it's time to lie down. You take your zipper, you pull it up, get your arms in, take the pull cord, pull, and you're now ready for a very nice night's sleep. When you wake up in the morning, you make sure your bag is dry before you pack it, or at least as dry as possible. Then you take your pack sack and the foot end of your sleeping bag and you start packing. You do this by folding the foot end, put it lowest in the bag and then twist it into the bag. This way we will fill out the bag the best way we can. And you simply pull the cord when you're done. All the pack sacks fits the sleeping bags perfectly. It's just a matter of practice sometimes. When you get back from your trip, you put it in your storage bag into the closet. This way the down can breathe nicely inside the closet. If you're going somewhere very wet or moist, it can be a good idea to put your sleeping bag into a dry bag. You can put it in directly from the pack sack into a dry bag, fold it and put it in your bag, or you can put the sleeping bag directly into the dry bag, compress it and put it into your pack sack. At Nordisk we offer a care and repair service in our facility in Germany. For you that means that if you rip it, you can have it repaired for a small fee. We even have a wash service in case you don't want to do this yourself. In case you want to do this yourself, you can find the instructions in the sleeping bag. For more information on this, visit our local dealers or check out the hang tag.